best wireless 4K security camera system of 2025. Let's have AOSU SolarCam P1 Max full review. Welcome to my channel Advanced Techno World, the brain of your home security. HomeCortex provides advanced AI features like video descriptions, smart search, daily security summaries, and wildlife alerts. Supporting up to 6 cameras with centralized storage, it gives you whole home awareness, helping you stay informed and confidently in control of your family's safety. AOSU TrueSight AI combines face recognition and behavior analysis to detect strangers, even in disguise, and recognize both familiar and unfamiliar vehicles. Suspicious behavior triggers instant alerts, while footage is AI organized for quick, one-command searches, keeping you proactive and your home safer. AOSU features 32 gigabytes of built-in storage, expandable up to 16 terabytes, keeping your recordings private, encrypted, and fully under your control. AOSU has a true 4K lens with an f/1.6 aperture, captures crisp details in any light. The surrounding light band provides balanced brightness for clear, full-color night vision. Day or night, every corner stays visible, so your security never misses a thing. AOSU security camera has dual solar panels capture more energy in just 2 hours of sunlight, delivering faster charging and steady all-day power. With enhanced efficiency, your camera stays reliably charged, providing non-stop protection you can count on year-round. AOSU security camera has a very advanced motion-activated alarm. The built-in light and siren activate the second motion is detected, frightening intruders and adding an active shield protection. Keeps threats out and your loved ones safe inside. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.